Again, this is a Doppler radar indicated tornado for Howard and Hempstead County. It's moving towards the northeast at 25 miles per hour, and this will affect Nashville, Arkansas. So I want everybody in Nashville, Arkansas, you need to go to the interior of your home or your business, put as many walls between you and the outside. You know the drill. We've been through this so many times. Excuse me. We've been through this so many times here in Arkansas, and I want you to go ahead and take your tornado precautions. 5 live Doppler radars will show you what we're talking about. Embedded in this area of rain, there is rotation, and we'll look for it here using our various radars. You see Mineral Springs right here. So it's just north. This is where the circulation is. We're looking out of the Little Rock radar. So right now the circulation center seems to be just to the west of Nashville. This is again, this is located near Mineral Springs, just to the north of town, and it's working towards the northeast at 25 miles per hour. So this is getting ready to cross over Highway 371 right now. This is going to affect areas around Nashville, over towards Blue Bayou. This is near Mineral Springs. It's right going along Highway 355 and is moving off towards the north. Let's go back to our 5 live Doppler radars, and we can get a better look at this here on our volumetric radar as well. And the hook echo with this is not very well apparent, but it is embedded in here. There is somewhat of a hook with this radar imagery west of Nashville as this moves off towards the north at about 25 miles per hour. This is a certain feature that we have here, an algorithm within the computer which tries to find the most rotation. See that blue area? Here's Nashville. You see the city streets. That's State Highway, or rather I should say U.S. Highway 371. This is Wakefield Road. So it's right there on the west side of Nashville. There's no word on whether or not this is on the ground, but there is rotation, and it is significant enough so that it warrants a tornado warning to be issued for this portion of the state. Let's look at the velocities once again, and yeah, they're still quite strong in this area. We're looking out of the Shreveport radar. Let's go to the Little Rock radar. And you'll also see a severe thunderstorm warning for Scott, Logan, and Yell County and extreme northern areas of Montgomery County. But this is the area here, and even in this radar imagery, it's tough to see. There's an update, but there is some sort of rotation, and there it is. When you look at the velocities out of the Little Rock NextRad radar, very well-defined rotation, just probably 2 or 3 miles north of Mineral Springs. And if it's moving towards the northeast at 25 miles per hour, it's going to get very, very close to Nashville. So let's do a storm track on this. And let's widen this out so we can do this on our, let's go to our 5 live Doppler radars. And the rotation is right in there, and it's moving towards the northeast at 25, which is going to take it up towards Pike County, which is not technically under the tornado warning right now. But here's some of the Temperanceville at 1128, Reed at 1148, and Daisy at about 1214. So this does not have it right in Nashville, but it's going to be very close, and I want everybody in those communities as well as Nashville, I want you to take your tornado precautions right now. Hail in this thunderstorm, not all that impressive, but there's a very good chance that there is at least some hail within this thunderstorm, especially north of Mineral Springs, near that circulation, small hail, dime size, which is not considered severe hail at all. Let's go back to the radar. And again, it's getting ready to cross over the highway that runs east to west in the Nashville vicinity.